Did you know, during the oil crisis, Mazda decided to launch one of the thirstiest engines ever and give the oil crisis a big middle finger. The RX-5 was primarily powered by the legendary 13B twin rotor. Though some markets got the 12A, it produces 135 horsepower, but launching with a heavy fuel-hungry rotary Grand Tourer right after the oil crisis meant it was incredibly tough to sell, but still beautifully ironic. And to add to that lore, they skipped over the RX-6 and went straight from RX-5 to RX-7. What the hell was going on back then, Mazda? You tell me.